Guys, these days almost everyone is dealing with one major issue. Bootloader unlocking has become harder than ever. What used to be a simple and straightforward process is now filled with complications and restrictions. Xiaomi has tightened security to a very high level. And even people who have unlocked their phones in the past are now facing problems again. Errors like device not verified, couldn't unlock, forced waiting periods, and the most irritating issue, the repeated failure of add account and device. People try every solution available online, but most methods are outdated, incomplete, or simply don't work anymore. So today I want to speak clearly and honestly with you. The method that I use personally, the method that actually works, looks simple on the surface. But behind it, there is real effort, hours of testing, deep understanding of the system, and a lot of my own hard work. Because of that, I cannot release this method for free. Not because I don't want to help, but because the process requires time focus and manual handling. So let me make it absolutely clear. This method is paid. The price is only R300. Affordable, straightforward, and completely worth it for a guaranteed result. Now, why is it paid? Because this is not a random trick, not a copied tutorial, and definitely not a risky hack. Everything that happens in this process is done by me personally, step by step, with complete safety and full responsibility. Your device remains secure at every moment. Your data stays protected. And the result is clean, verified, and error-free. And I want to make one more thing very clear. This is not a scam. This is not a fake service. I don't make false promises. I don't use fear or pressure. Whatever I say, I deliver exactly that. Everyone who has taken my help before has seen successful results. No device damage, no data loss, no unnecessary waiting. Just a smooth and safe unlocking process. If you are genuinely struggling with errors, if add account and device keeps failing, if nothing seems to work for you, then this paid method is the most reliable option. Everything here is genuine, everything is transparent, and everything is handled by me personally. Right now, the internet is full of fake sellers, fake screenshots, unsafe tools, and methods that can even damage your device. But this is completely different. This service is safe, trusted, and backed by real experience. If you appreciate the effort behind my content, if you value honest work, thank you, it genuinely means a lot. And if you're ready to unlock your device without stress, just check the description or pinned comment for details. I promise only one thing. Your work will be done. It will be safe, it will be smooth, and you will not have to worry about anything. Alright guys, let's continue with the video.